This is the Varney Yard Switcher Pittman Motor truck. And this is a kind of a neat design. I want to show you how it works. So there's a Pittman motor, the open frame motor from the 1950s. Actually, I think it goes back to the 1930s. And so check it out. And so this thing ain't been touched. So I don't know when the last time this was used. Could be 30, 40 years ago. Not even sure if it was used way back when. It hasn't been cleaned. But that's how it works. When we clean this up, we're going to make a decision based on the fact that I know this thing draws a lot of amperage. We're going to decide if we're going to put a new motor on there. But that's pretty cool.